Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. In the last session we had discussed something about study skills, right? Today I'm going to talk something about concentration, how to improve your concentration. As you all know that concentration is the ability, individual's ability to direct your attention to a particular task, right? Which you intend to do. So basically, it is also important in achieving all your goals. Concentration is very essential and it is learning a skill basically. Some strategies in order to increase your concentration levels. Last time we discussed about memory and concentration, right? In study skills. Hope you remember those. So today we'll discuss about some of the tips as to how to improve your concentration levels. So firstly, do one thing at a time, set aside specific time period. So whenever you're choosing a task, do that particular task at one point of time. Don't multitask. Don't do different things all at once. Just focus on that one particular task, right? Because at a time your mind will capture attention to only one particular task and can memorize or take or concentrate only on that particular task unless and until you are habituated to multitasking, right? So first thing, do one thing at a time. Second, avoid unnecessary moments. If you're doing a task or if you're talking to someone or while studying, avoid unnecessary leg movements, hand movements. This is a sign of your anxiety. So if you're anxious, first work upon your anxiety, meditate and learn to concentrate basically. So it will take time in order to master that skill, but you will definitely do it. Then try to find comfortable, relaxed atmosphere without distractions to do any work. When we were discussing about study skills, I had told you that you need a very quiet, ideal place in order to study wherein people don't disturb you. There are no external distractions, there are no internal distractions like your feelings, your emotions or your fatigue, boredom, etc. Your anxiety basically, overthinking. These all are barriers which come in your path of concentrating on a particular thing. So if you want to, focus on one thing, then first thing is to overcome all the barriers, all the distractions out of the way and keep your focus intact on the thing that you're doing. Then do everything wholeheartedly. Obviously, if your heart is not into a particular thing, then it's of no point of doing. It may be any job, it may be any work you're doing, may be work, you may be working on any project, right? So basically, if you're not interested in that, you won't be able to do it wholeheartedly. Forget about concentrating. So if you love that job, then only do it. And if you're doing it, know that why are you doing it, right? Because you love doing it, not because you just want to do it. So do your task wholeheartedly, which you have taken in your hands, and learn to concentrate with dedication and commitment. Then doing puzzles, drawing pictures and making models may be helpful. So these are some of the external techniques that I'm discussing with you. Like obviously doing puzzles will give a boost to your brain, your senses, right? You'll get more habituated to solving puzzles and drawing pictures, making spiral rolls. These are kind of stress busters, guys, and they also help you tend to increase your concentration levels. So whenever you give your your physical sensations are boosted whenever you draw something, whenever you read something, whenever you solve puzzles, your mental senses are awakened, right? So this arousal is basically what you need in order to concentrate on a simpler task compared to these ones. These are just the steps towards kind of tactics to improve your concentration levels. You can try these out in order to increase your concentration. Then nothing can improve concentration better than a round of tongue twisters. So tongue twisters basically, if you have any tongue twister, you know the meaning of tongue twister, right? A kind of phrase maybe, proverb maybe which has the same same sounding words. So basically, if you're trying a number of tongue twisters every day, it will definitely improve your concentration also, your focus also, and it will also tend to, it will help you to memorize a lot of information, because tongue twisters, some of the difficult tongue twisters, they will, when you master them, it will take time. Definitely it will take time. Firstly, focus and attention is the thing that you need to do first, and then you need to concentrate. That is what is essential in order to reproduce the information. It may be tongue twisters, it may be any information, and these concentration skills are also essential in your study habits, or not just study habits, but in any task, or if you're doing a job, in that as well. These stress buster skills and concentration skills, it's very important that you focus your entire attention on the tasks you're doing at hand, or you're chosen to take the particular task at hand. So if you want to do that task sincerely, then please guys, do focus on that task, concentrate and learn these tactics. It will be difficult initially, yes, but later you will when you will master these techniques, then definitely your concentration will improve. And you can also search many sources on concentration on internet as well. If you want to learn more about concentration, it's all about psychology and your memory and how the brain works basically. If you like today's video, please do hit the subscribe button, and do share as much as possible to the people who require to see the video. So please do subscribe. This is Surabhi here. Thank you so much.